everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. Now first things first, I'd like to say thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you very much, much appreciated. Now today, I went up
Morrisons.
Don't usually shop at Morrisons because it's a bit far away from our house. But I went up there anyway, I went up looking for something. But they didn't have it in stock. So instead, I seen these. Now I say I don't usually shop at Morrisons, so I don't know whether these are new or not. I mean, they say new. Scorpion chili chicken wings. It was quite expensive, it was £3. I mean, I don't know how much you didn't have in a bag, I ain't even opened them or nothing, so. I say I don't know whether they're new or not. But they look nice. And scorpion chili. A fiery scorpion chili marinade on top. It's got the 3 peppers. So I thought, well, I'll get them and we'll give them a taste test. So let's open them up and have a look. Get me scissors. I'll give them a cut open. Oh, okay, they smell nice. Well, we'll go see in that bag, I suppose. Let me have a look. There they are. Get one out. I mean, they're quite big chicken wings, to be fair. Thought they might have been tiny, but... Oh! Caught it. I caught it. They smell nice, they do smell very nice. All on my hands. I've ripped the bag now, so how'd you cook them? 35 minutes in the oven, middle shelf, 200 degrees. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put half of them in the oven, and I'm going to put half of them in the air fryer. Just to see if there's any difference in the crispiness and that. Why not? So I've got the oven on warming up now. So first things first is I'll get them in an oven-proof bowl. And then we'll stick them in the oven. And then the other half can go in the air fryer and we'll just see what they come out like. I don't know whether they're new. I don't know. But we'll find out, won't we? Let me know if you've had them before, if you've seen them. So I don't usually shop at Morrisons, so. Anyway, I'm going to get them in the oven. Then after about 15 minutes, I'll stick some in the air fryer. And then we can give them a taste test. Well, I got myself an oven dish. It's been in the oven, so it's boiling up, so I've got to be careful. I'm going to stick a few in. I mean, I don't know how many you get in the bag. You get, there's 1, 2, there's 4 left in the bag. So there's 1, 2, there's 4 there. So you get 8 altogether. So family of 4, you only get 2 little ones. I suppose if you're having a bit of salad or something. So I'm going to stick them in the oven now. And after about 15 minutes, I'll put the rest in the air fryer. And we'll just see what they come out like. So I'll bring you back when I start putting them in the air fryer. Right, they've been in the oven for about 15 minutes and I'm going to stick the rest in the air fryer. I stuck 5 in the oven in the end instead of 4. Just because I wanted to leave enough room in the air fryer. I didn't want to overpack the air fryer, you see. Let's get them all turned over the right way. There they are. But I say they look quite nice and they smell lovely, to be fair. But I say it's all in the taste, isn't it? Air fryer, 200 degrees. Go. And we'll see what they're like. I mean, I think the air fryer is going to be better. Tastes better, to be honest. But you never know, do you? You never know. So when all that's done, I'll bring you back. Right then, they're all done, I think. I've had an absolute nightmare with them, to be fair. These ones are put in for 20 minutes into the air fryer. I mean, they look very nice now, right? I took them out to cool down. And the plate was full of blood. So obviously they weren't cooked, so they've been in for another 10. So they went in for 30 minutes in the air fryer. And these These from the oven, they've been in for 50 minutes. 50 minutes they've been in. It says 35. Absolute nightmare. And I hope they're cooked now, because I've got the one here, which I haven't even put on the plate, which I haven't even put here. Still got a bit of blood in it. So I've just left that over there. 50 minutes. I checked the oven, make sure it was on the right temperature and everything, and it was. So before I taste them, I'm going to cut one open and just make sure they're cooked. It's been terrible, honestly. And what I didn't want to do was over dry them, you see. Yes, that's cooked. Thank God for that. Well, 50 minutes I've been in. 50. I don't know why. So, but they look nice. So there's the other ones. Eventually. And there's the air fryer ones. I mean, the air fryer ones are a lot better, don't they? But say it's all in the taste, ain't it? So let's give them a taste test. Right, I'm going to do the air fryer one first. Because that come out first, so that's a lot cooler now. But say they look really nice, don't they? So it took me half an hour in the air fryer. I was a bit surprised, to be honest with you. Usually about 20 minutes, but... So let's try one anyway, and we'll see. See how spicy they are. Dribbling, look. I mean, that's them there. I mean, I don't know if you can see that. There's not a lot to them, to be fair. But say it's all in the taste. Here we go. Scorpion chili. Ooh. Oh, it's got a bit of an after kick, that. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's got a right big after kick. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's burning. That was nice. A little bit dry though, but I think it's been in too long. I don't know why it took so long to cook. Oh, it's got an aftertaste there though. It's got a nice little burn. And let's try the oven one. So there's the oven one. 50 minutes these minutes. I don't expect these to be juicy. Just wouldn't get rid of one, just wouldn't cook. I don't know why. Okay. That oven one's a lot juicier. I'm going with the oven on that, 100%. The air fryer one's a bit dry. But they had to go in a bit longer because of the blood. They weren't cooked. Maybe in the air fryer, maybe I didn't put it on 200 degrees, maybe put it on 180 and put it in for half hour. But they're nice, but the air fryer one is a lot spicier. I didn't really feel a kick out of the oven ones. Let's try a bit of skin off the oven one. Just the skin. Yeah, there's no spice there. Now the air fryer's just the skin. There's no spice on that oven skin. And the spice on that air fryer one, oh yeah, you can feel it straight away. A bit of spice. It's really weird. The chicken in the air fryer is a lot drier, but the skin's a lot spicier. So maybe you've been in the oven that long, I don't know, it's moulded down the flavour. But the chicken itself is juicy. But I say it's been in 50 minutes. Well, there we go. Another little thing. Which one would I cook it in? I don't know. I ain't got a clue. Probably the air fryer, but maybe 180 degrees instead of 200. Just cook it that little bit longer. Really do it a bit slower to keep the juice in the meat. But anyway, I am the old food guy. Do you like content like this? Give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave us a comment. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye. Oh, one more thing. Let me show you. The cooking times, it does say 30 to 35 minutes from frozen. Say it took 50. Am I even having a bad day? I don't know. See you later. Bye bye.